Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the first video we have discussed this sheet of the Excel file in which we will put our data. In the columns we will put, in the first column we will put the number. This number will contain the number of the cases that we will discuss, and we have agreed in the last time that is the number will contain the number of the already assigned cases for the research. So if we assign, for example, 100 cases, so the numbers will start from 1 to 100. What is the importance of this? The importance of this that if we wanted to change anything inside the table, we must go to the to do it case by case. Later on, when we discuss SPSS, the program for statistical analysis, we will know that this is very important, that we must assign every case to a number. Then the following columns, all of the other following columns will contain the points that we will discuss in our research. So, for example, I have put a proposal that what are having a question. Proposal question is, what are the factors that will affect the body weight of a person? So I will put this body weight of the person, and I put some other factors that may affect this body weight. For example, the age, the sex, the specialty of his work, what he eats and what he drinks, if he smokes or not, number of children, alcohol drink or not. And I assume that these factors may, from a previous literature, that this factor may affect the weight. So I need to do some statistical analysis to see this affection. So what I will go to do, I will ask the patients, I will ask persons in the community, what are their weight, what are their age, sex, specialty, as we do in the research. But the data we will gather will come in this very erratic and not organized form. So we need to organize it by a way to make it suitable or make it possible for the computer to read. So we will use a coding system. The coding system is very easy, but we must put a simple coding system for us that we will not make a mistake later. The most important point that we should put the coding system in the same file, because if we write it into another paper or write it into another file, we may forget it. So you must open another file, a new window, and put your data and put a coding system behind. The coding system will, as I prefer, to use numbers as a coding system. For example, for the sex, I will use male instead of female. Someone may raise a question here. Can we put male and female and the computer understand it? Yes. And the computer can understand it? Yes. It can understand. But sometimes if you put male, for example, in the previous, if you put male like this, and the other male by makes this in capital, for example, the computer will not understand this. And on the contrary, the computer will define male as something, and this male with capital M is another thing. If you put a point here, end point, end of text point, also the computer will not know that this male is like this male. This is a very problem. This is very problematic during making research. So the computer will not understand your data, especially if you have a very big data. If you have a very big data, for example, 1,000 recording, it will be very difficult for you. You will find a lot of mistakes in your data. So what is the easiest thing? The easiest thing is to put a code. And this code you must fix in all of your research. So for me, I always put male 1 and female 2, a lot of it. This is what I am going to do every time I do research, and put a sex as a parameter of measurement. I will put sex as 1 for male, 2 for female. Also for specialty, we will put a specialty like, for example, workers, doctor 2, and employee 3, etc. I think this is easy. If you go like this, it's very easy. And you are not confined to 1, 2, and 3. No. I can use 1, 6, and 8. Like what do you drink? I want put sometimes 1 tea, 6 for cola, 8 for coffee, especially for the things that I will not use too much. What is important to make it like this 6 and 8? This will make you not get your eye doesn't become hazy while you are looking. Everything is 1, 2, 3. This is very difficult. Sometimes I put, for example, here this is 66 and this is 3 3 nines, etc. You can put whatever you want. But later on, you will define to the statistic program, you will define that 999 means a coffee. This is very easy. I think this is very easy and doesn't need more explanation. For the smoker, I will turn anything that the patient doesn't smoke, it is 0. And then 20 and 40 means that the patient is smoking the number of cigarettes. So I fix this point of a smoker. Also, I can divide the smoker into 2 columns. One column contains the smoker, yes or no. Also put yes for 1 and no for 2. Or and another column is a smoker, number of cigarettes, if any, and I will put this 20, 0, and 40. So don't put 2 measure scales at the same column. So don't put scale of packs and the scales of number of cigarettes. Number of children, this is integer, this is a number, so it is not problematic to put this number of children. Alcohol drink, also yes or no. So I think this is very easy for us, is to do like this. We wanted to do a simple system for coding. This simple system will remain with us. Try not to use to make this if you put the paper in a paperwork, if you work in a paperwork. But if you work with a computerized work, for example, a questionnaire on the Google, for example, the Google can import the results directly to you. So there will be no changes. So at that time, you can keep the text and you can use the text. But if the patient or if the person who is doing the questionnaire is writing something in the questionnaire, you must interfere manually at that point. I think by this, alhamdulillah, we finished the points of how to code for our research. Then I will answer the question if you put it into the description of the video. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.